Hello, I am Abdul Hasib. In this video, I will show you how you can use AnyDesk. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that allows users to access and control a computer from another location. So without wasting time, let's start the video. First, we have to download AnyDesk from Google. Go to Google and search AnyDesk Download. Now open the first link. Click on Download so your file will start downloading.
When the download completes, then go to this PC.
Open Downloads folder. Now open Programs and double-click on AnyDesk. Click on this link. Now click on Accept and Install. AnyDesk installed on my computer. Now you have to install on another laptop you want to connect your laptop to. When installation on another laptop completed, then open AnyDesk on both laptops. I want to use laptop 2 by using laptop 1. When you open it on both laptops, then click Invite link in laptop 2. In first box, enter the address of laptop 1. After entering address, click on Invite. On laptop 1, notification will be shown. Click Connect option in laptop 1. Now both laptops connected successfully, and you can see I have fully access to laptop, and I am using laptop 2. I think this video will be helpful to you. If you find my video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe for more informative videos. Thank you.